To understand the tutorial a little more, we should know that WordPress is a content management system that allows you to create and maintain a blog or other type of web. The first thing is to have XAMPP installed, a free tool that simulates a web server on your machine. It can be downloaded from its official website. After installing XAMPP, the Apache server and MySQL database service are powered on. The next step is database, which should be designed by administrator according to the project, and then create in the phpMyAdmin tool. The next thing is to have WordPress downloaded from the official website. The waiting time will depend on the internet connection. Now the download folder should be extracted in the following path. After this, the following path should be displayed in the browser, where the configuration will start from scratch. It will then request access to the database created in step 3, user, base name, password, and other things. The next thing will be create run installation. The data for the WordPress installation, site title, username you want to create to the management, password, etc. must be entered by the administrator. Finally, if all went well, should appear a login requesting to configure data, and everything ready to start a project.